Good afternoon, students. Now, part 3 of chapter 18, People Who Made a Difference of your social science. We have discussed about the religions and the founder of those religions. Now, we are going to discuss about the kings, emperors, as well as the scientists in this part. Now, emperor, that is the king who used to rule the larger area, larger part of the country. Want, chahna, that is, and past tense is wanted. Conqueror, jeetne wala. Win, won, winning. This winning word is there in your book. So I have written win is the present tense, won is past tense, and winning is present continuous. Jeetna. Battles, लड़ाइयाँ. Kalinga is the place. Thousands, हजारों में. Dead, मरे हुए. Injured, घायल होना. Injured is the past tense. Soldiers, सैनिक, that you know. Give, gave, present tense देना, and दिया, present tense and past tense. War, लड़ाई. Non-violence, that is the लड़ाई नहीं करना, अहिंसा जिसको बोलते हैं. Build, built, build is the verb. बनाना, और built is past tense. Dharamshala, the place where the people live by paying money. Welfare, भलाई के लिए सोसाइटी में कुछ नया करना. Encourage, प्रोत्साहन देना, आगे बढ़ाना लोगों को. And encouraged is the past tense. Literature, साहित्य, that you are studying English literature. Attention, ध्यान देना. Remember, remembered, याद करना. Now the next thing is your now let us go to the next part. Next slide. Scientists, वैज्ञानिक. Astronomy, that is study of the stars. Ancient, प्राचीन, बहुत पुराना. Ayurveda is the part of science which deals with the medicines. Popular, प्रसिद्ध होना, प्रसिद्ध. Surgery, operation, that surgery सुना होगा. Aryabhat, name of the mathematician. मैथमेटिशियन जो मैथ्स के ऊपर रिसर्च करते हैं, मैथ्स के स्कॉलर होते हैं. एस्ट्रोनॉमर, द पर्सन हु स्टडीड अबाउट द स्टार्स, हु स्टडी अबाउट द एस्ट्रोनॉमी. Baramihira, it is also a name. Charak is the name. Physician is the doctor who deals with the medicines. Sushruta, again the name of the doctor. Surgeon, जो डॉक्टर सर्जरी करते हैं. President, राष्ट्रपति. Now first we will discuss about the kings. In kings, the most popular and great king was Emperor Ashoka. Wanted to be great conqueror, means बहुत बड़ा राजा बनना चाहता था, सबको जीतना चाहता था. It is like a story. Fought and won many battles, बहुत सारी लड़ाइयाँ जीती. But after winning the famous battle of Kalinga is right now it is in Odisha. Okay, he was very sad to see thousands of dead and injured soldiers. वो लड़ता गया, इतनी लड़ाइयाँ जीती. But when he fought the battle of Kalinga, it was it happened for so many days, and he lost so many soldiers, people of his country, and after seeing the dead bodies, he became very sad. Very sad. Then he gave up the country, he gave up the war, सब छोड़ दिया, and became the follower of Gautam Buddha. We have already discussed about Gautam Buddha in Buddhism. So he started following Gautam Buddha and he started chanting Gautam Buddha mantra. Okay, that is the Buddham Sharanam Gacchami, and he started spreading the message of non-violence. लड़ाई नहीं करनी चाहिए, शांति से रहना चाहिए, peace, harmony, love, इन सब का message he started spreading in the society. Built free hospitals, roads, धर्मशाला, wells, tanks for welfare of the people. लोगों की सहूलियत के लिए, अपनी country के लोगों के लिए, he started building the hospitals, roads, धर्मशाला, everything. He was a kind and wise king and came to be known as Ashoka the Great. ये बाद में इतने popular हुए लोगों के दिल में, and he was known as Ashoka the Great. He was a great conqueror. So the picture is there, and the picture of Battle of Kalinga War, a battle that changed Ashoka forever. हमेशा के लिए इस war ने बदल दिया. Okay, so he became अशोका द ग्रेट। पहले एम्पेरर अशोका थे, बाद में जब उन्होंने वेलफेयर लोगों के लिए काम किया, देन ही बिकेम द अशोका द ग्रेट। देन देयर वाज वन मोर पॉपुलर किंग, कृष्णदेव राय। ही वाज द king of South India, means Andhra Pradesh, मान लो Tamil Nadu, and that part he used to ruled in South India about 500 years ago। बहुत पहले, 500 साल पहले ये राजा हुआ करते थे। Worked for the good of people, लोगों के लिए बहुत अच्छा काम किया। The people were free to follow whatever religion they wanted, means whatever religion, whether it is Hindu or Muslim or Christianity, जो भी चाहिए वो आप follow कीजिए। And he encouraged artists, poets and writers। उनके राज्य में आर्टिस्ट को, पोएट्स को एंड द राइटर्स को बहुत एनकरेज किया गया, प्रोत्साहन दिया गया आगे बढ़ने के लिए। देन केम टू एम्पेरर अकबर। अकबर रूल्ड इन इंडिया अबाउट 400 years ago। काफी नाम सुना होगा अकबर का। He respected all religions। It was the beauty of Emperor Akbar that he respected all religion। Being a Muslim, he respected Hindu dharma, Jain dharma, Buddhism, Christianity, everything every religion he respected a lot। He encouraged art, music and literature। इसने भी इंडिया के कल्चर को बहुत आगे बढ़ाया। He gave lot of attention to the people and he was remembered as great ruler। ये एक बहुत अच्छे मुस्लिम राजा थे जिन्होंने, शहंशाह थे जिन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छा काम किया था इंडिया के लिए, कंट्री के लिए। And he is still remembered as a great ruler। Now this is the Krishnadev Rai and the stamp he developed in his at the time of his kingdom, and his Emperor Akbar। Yeah, you can watch, if you watch TV, you can watch Sub TV। In Sub TV there is one serial comes Tenali Rama। Tenali Rama was one of the member of the kingdom of Krishnadev Rai। You can see that serial, you can watch, you want to know about something about Krishnadev Rai। Okay, now come to the scientists of ancient India as well as the modern India। Very, very important thing, you must know about the scientists। Ancient India, our country was very, very rich and well developed in mathematics, astronomy, medicine, sciences। Okay, now because zero, that you study maths, it started from India, and that zero number was given by Aryabhat। Aryabhat was a great mathematician। You might have heard one song, जब जीरो दिया मेरे भारत ने दुनिया को तब गिनती आई। It is a very, very popular song। I will share the link of that song to you। You listen to that song, how that song praised our country। उस गाने में इतना कुछ इंडिया के बारे में बताया हुआ है, उस गाने को सुनो, बहुत अच्छे से सुनो। एंड आर्यभट्ट वाज द मैथमेटिशियन, ही गेव जीरो, फ्रॉम जीरो दैट काउंटिंग स्टार्टेड। जीरो के बाद ही वन आता है, तो काउंटिंग स्टार्टेड एंड देन द पीपल केम टू नो अबाउट द डेसिमल। द कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया टू वर्ल्ड इन साइंस आर जीरो, द नंबर सिस्टम, डेसिमल सिस्टम, आयुर्वेदा सिस्टम ऑफ मेडिसिन, सर्जरी, स्टडी ऑफ स्टार्स एंड द सोलर सिस्टम। ये सब कुछ इंडिया से शुरू हुआ था, लेकिन इंडिया में बाद में इतनी लड़ाइयाँ हुई, अंग्रेज आके शासन करने लगे, बिकॉज ऑफ द ब्रिटिशर्स इंडिया बिल्कुल पीछे चला गया। अदरवाइज इंडिया वॉज सेड टू बी द सोने की चिड़िया। इट वॉज सो वेल डेवलप्ड। एंड साइंटिस्ट, मैथमेटिशियन, सर्जरी, जो ऑपरेशन, डॉक्टर, कैटरेक्ट, आंखों का ऑपरेशन, एवरीथिंग वॉज डन इन इंडिया। फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इट वॉज डन इन इंडिया। इंडिया से ही ये सब कुछ गए हुए थे। वी हैव टू बी प्राउड ऑफ आवर कंट्री। साइंटिस्ट ऑफ एंशिएंट इंडिया में आर्यभट्ट, ग्रेट मैथमेटिशियन एंड एस्ट्रोनॉमर, बराहमीरा, एस्ट्रोनॉमर, चारक, फेमस फिजिशियन अबाउट द मेडिसिन, सुश्रुता, अ सर्जन, अ डॉक्टर डिड द फर्स्ट सर्जरी ऑपरेशन। पहला ऑपरेशन पूरी दुनिया में सबसे पहले इंडिया में हुआ था। तो आवर एंशिएंट साइंस, ancient India was very rich। Now you see the photographs. There is the Aryabhat, he studied about the mathematics, zero and the solar system, astronomy also। You can see here Jagdish Chandra Bose, Prafulla Chandra, they are the scientists of modern India। इधर जितने भी पिक्चर्स हैं, ये सारे पिक्चर्स तो साइंटिस्ट हैं मॉडर्न इंडिया के हैं। सत्येंद्र नाथ बोस, मेघनाथ साहा, प्रशांत चंद्र, गोपाल चंद्र भट्टाचार्य, आनंद मोहन चक्रवर्ती, सुभाष मुखोपाध्याय, सी वी रमन, हरविंद सिंह खुराना, होमी जहांगीर भाभा, Vikram Sarabhai, Subramaniam Chandrasekhar, Srinivas Ramanujan, Ashok Sen, he is a very, very new scientist, Dr. Shankar Chatterjee, Vilayunar S. Ramachandran, Venkat Raman Ramakrishnan, Jayant Vishnu Narlikar, APJ Abdul Kalam. You know him very well. He became the President of India. Now, some well-known scientists. Let us discuss about some well-known scientists. S. Ramanujan, great mathematician. J.C. Bose, biologist. C.V. Raman, physicist. इन्होंने बायोलॉजी प्लांट्स के बारे में पढ़ा था. फिजिक्स के बारे में सीवी रमन ने दिया था. रमन इफेक्ट करके एक बहुत इनको नोबेल प्राइज मिला था. होमी भाभा, न्यूक्लियर फिजिसिस्ट. यू कैन Bhabha Atomic Research Center in Bombay is named after Homi Jahangir Bhabha. Vikram Sarabhai is the founder of ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, which is in Bangalore also, as well as in Ahmedabad also. So, if you want to see about ISRO Center, you can watch the movie Mangalyaan. Okay. S. Chandrasekhar, India-born American astronomer. APJ Abdul Kalam, Missile Man. He is very, very well known as Missile Man, and he was the President of India also. So this is all about the scientists of modern India. You should feel proud of your country. Okay? Thank you.